How is Nvidia addressing fears about AI replacement? Nvidia is betting on AI enhancing human work instead of fully replacing it. They envision AI technologies working alongside humans to increase productivity and creativity. Instead of job losses, Nvidia predicts new roles focused on managing and collaborating with AI systems. This approach helps ease fears by highlighting AI as a partner, not a competitor, in the workplace. To prepare the workforce for AI-driven changes, Nvidia funds training programs and partnerships with universities. These initiatives aim to teach workers how to leverage AI tools effectively, ensuring they stay relevant in evolving industries. By empowering people with new skills, Nvidia addresses concerns about unemployment and job displacement. One key strategy is designing AI systems that require human insight and judgment. Nvidia's AI solutions often emphasize collaboration, where humans guide AI outputs and make final decisions. This human-centered approach maintains the importance of human workers and reduces the risk of full automation. Nvidia actively promotes ethical AI standards to prevent misuse and protect workers. They engage with policymakers and industry groups to shape regulations that balance innovation with social responsibility. This leadership role helps build trust and mitigate fears about AI's impact on jobs by promoting transparency and accountability. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.